The scammers are scamming the scammers, but let's be real. Anyone could have fallen for this scam, but this time it was the DEA, and they lost $55,000 worth of Tether. So how did this happen? That's what we're gonna get into in today's video. Please stay tuned because I could definitely have fallen for this scam as well, and so that might be the same case for you. So this is a warning for everyone in crypto. If you guys enjoy these updates, if you find them valuable, I appreciate it if you hit the like button and hit subscribe, because we put out videos every day in an effort to keep you up to date on everything that's happening in cryptocurrency, like scams like this. So what had happened was the DEA seized like $500,000 worth of Tether from 2 Binance accounts, thinking that they were attached to some drug dealing activities, because they were investigating this for many years. So basically they seized this $500,000 and they're going to send this crypto to the marshals to transfer it. And like any good cryptocurrency user, the DEA knew to send a small amount first to test it out, to make sure that it is indeed the right address and all the money will be received correctly. And someone picked up on this. A smart little wily guy who's in crypto obviously was watching these wallets where their money had been taken from. Spoiler alert, I think the person who scammed the DEA might be the same people that they had taken this money back, which is kind of interesting. So basically the money had been seized from these Binance accounts, obviously, and sent to a cryptocurrency wallet and owned by the DEA. So that wallet has been watched by whoever's money was stolen. And they saw the DEA send $45 worth of Tether to this other address, which is owned by the marshals. And so what this guy did really quickly, he created a wallet to imitate the marshal's wallet. It had the same, 4 or 5 first initial characters of the wallet and the last 4 or 5 characters on the wallet. Because I am certainly guilty of doing this, and I'm sure you are too, where you don't want to read and verify every string of numbers. You just verify the first and the last. A lot of people are classic for doing that. And it might be a mistake that will cost you thousands of dollars. So anyway, what this scammer had done is they imitated the wallet and they airdropped a token of the same amount to the DEA wallet. So it was a recent transaction. And so the DEA saw a very similar wallet as a recent transaction on their wallet, and they assumed it was the same transaction that they had sent to the marshals, when in fact it was a scammer's wallet interacting with their wallet. So they sent $55,000 back to the scammer's wallet. And this is Tether, you know, it's a centralized run stable coin. So the DEA really quickly went to Tether and they're like, you know what, can you freeze these coins? Because Tether is able to do this, by the way. It was too late though, because Tether had already been traded for Ethereum and Bitcoin and sent to other cryptocurrency wallets. So now the DEA and the FBI is investigating this, and they found out. Here's another connection to those initial Binance users whose funds were taken from the DEA. Binance accounts were used to pay for the transaction fees of this scammer's wallet. So there are some connections there. And so now that they know it was a Binance user that funded the transaction fees for this wallet, they asked Binance for information. And so they had the email, and they just know it was created. It was a Gmail email account that they were created. And that's as far as they know. They don't know who created the Gmail account. They don't know anything of this yet. So I don't know if we're going to hear the outcome of this, but I think the moral of the story is, for anyone here, as annoying as it might be, you got to check the whole character of the address, because someone might be playing some stuff with you, especially with airdrops. That can get kind of funky. So be careful with the airdrop game, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys found this informative. Let's try to keep our crypto as safe as possible and avoid scams like these. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.